We are eternal beings, you and I, human, yes, but also spirit. And that which is our spirit is made in God's image and likeness. We are one with this energy that we call God. God is light. We are light. God is love. We are love. God is life. We are life. And that which is of God is eternal, unchanging, constant, pure. Here lies our strength, our faith, our knowing, our joy, our peace. So this month, we invite you to come together and know this with us in person. We celebrate life at our Unity Maidenhead service this month, where we meet at the Friends Meeting House in Maidenhead. And we all come together within unity to celebrate the light that we are embraced by the light at our event held at Unity Centre of London. All these details you can find on our website, www.unityuk.org, and you can join us in person and you can join us on Zoom. But let's come together. Let's celebrate the beautiful eternal beings that we are, our beautiful selves, our creative selves, our joyous selves, the spiritual self that is living through you and me. My name is Kimmery Mapletoft. I am the Director of Silent Unity and Daily Word in the UK. And I look forward to meeting you, sharing a hug, and knowing the beauty that we are together. God bless you.